Here is examination style test question on calculus for you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll find the equation of tangent line to a curve. The question here is the equation of the line that passes through the point 0a and is tangent to the function f of x equals to 1 over x is y equals to mx plus a. Find the slope of the tangent line in terms of a. Extremely good question which has been seen in past test papers. I hope its solution will help you. Well, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, getting admission to the best universities, even with scholarships. Now, let's try to understand the approach for solving such a problem. We are given a point which is 0a, so a is the y-intercept of this function, and therefore, in the equation of tangent line, we have mx plus a, right? And this is also tangent to a function f of x 1 over x. So let's begin from that place that we have a function f of x which is equals to 1 over x. We need to find what m is. That means the gradient, the slope. So let's find the gradient, that is the derivative of this function. So f prime x will be minus 1 over x squared. Some of you prefer to write this as x to the power of minus 1 and then use the power rule, which is minus 1 x to the power of minus 2, which effectively is minus 1 over x squared. Perfect. Now, the key idea here is that we do not know the point on the curve, right? So, what could be that point? This is what we are looking for. So, we'll assume that let point on the curve, you can say f of x, be what? So, we have to give some value. So, let's say if that value is, let's say, c, right? X value, then the y value will be 1 over c, right? Because the function is 1 over x, right? So think like this. If x equals to c, then f of c is going to be 1 over c. Therefore, the coordinate point will be c 1 over c. You get the whole idea, right? Great. So let's continue from here. We know the slope. So let's find the slope of the function at the point C, right? So of course, the slope of the function at the point C is going to be minus 1 over c square. Now that is the slope, and we know that the y-intercept, let's call this point as A, y-intercept is 0, A. So a tangent line is going through the point x equals to c and y-intercept 0, A. And therefore, we can write that the equation of tangent will be what? We know the slope, right? So we can write equation of tangent is y equals to minus 1 over c square, which is the slope, x plus a, since a is the y-intercept. Now, we have too many variables here. How do we get the value of c? That is kind of critical. Since we know that the point is actually c1 over c, which is also on the curve function, reciprocal function. Now the idea is how do we get the value of c in terms of a? So for that, we know that the coordinate point, which is common to the tangent and also to the curve, is basically c1 over c, right? Substituting this point in the equation, we can actually find c in terms of a. So let's rewrite this. What we get is y value of 1 over c, right, equals to minus 1 over c square and x value of c, right, plus a. So that is what we get our equation as. Now, simplifying, we can easily write down that in this particular case, this is minus 1 over c, cancelling one of the c's. We have 1 over c equals to minus 1 over c plus a. Bringing them together, we get 1 over c plus 1 over c equals to a, or 2 over c equals to a. Correct? Or you can say 1 over c equals to a over 2, right? Is that clear? So we get the value of 1 over c as a over 2. And if I want to square it, in that case, what happens? So 1 over c square, squaring both sides, will be a square by 4. You get the whole idea, right? So 1 over c square is a square by 4. So 1 over c square is a square by 4. Substituting this back to the equation, we get our equation of the tangent line, right? So I'll just write it on a fresh page now, right? So what we had earlier was that we had the equation that y equals to minus 1 over c square x plus a, and we just found that 1 over c square is basically equal to a square over 4, right? Substituting this in our earlier equation, we can write down y equals to minus a square over 4x plus a as the equation of tangent line required in this particular case. You get the whole idea, right? So a could be any value, and we can get this kind of an equation. So from here, if you compare it with the line y equals to mx plus a, the slope is what, right? So we get the slope m as equal to minus a square over 4. Makes sense? Correct? So that is how you can get your equation and relate it to the slope. So if you sketch a graph of this, what basically we are saying is that the curve 1 over x on this side will be kind of like this, and this particular line, which is the tangent to this, for example, correct? So that point which we have considered is c1 over c. You see that? And this point is at a, and that's the tangent line which we are talking about, right? So I hope the situation is absolutely clear. It's a very wonderful question. Feel free to write your comments and suggestions. In case you like and subscribe to my playlist, that would be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.